5 lesser-known human senses. If I asked you how many senses do humans have, you will probably answer 5 without hesitating. To be fair, that's what primary schools teach us, that we perceive our world through our senses of smell, touch, hearing, sight and taste. Even though these senses are the most well known because they are our primary source of input of information, researchers have recognized many more senses and the total number of human senses is believed to be about 20. Take a look at 5 lesser-known human senses that are crucial for our survival as a species. 1. Proprioception. Proprioception refers to our innate ability of knowing the size and the proportion of our own bodies, knowing how much strength we are using and feeling our movements. In humans, it is provided by proprioceptors in skeletal striated muscles and tendons and the fibrous capsules in joints. Impairment is usually temporary, especially when one is tired, but some people lose this sense completely due to certain disorders and syndromes. They cannot feel their body and have no way of knowing what they're doing when they close their eyes. Some related senses are exteroception, by which one perceives the outside world, and interoception, by which one perceives pain, hunger, etc., and the movement of internal organs. 2. Thermoception. Even though many people believe that the sense of touch allows you to feel whether something is hot or cold, in fact this is a separate sense. Thermoception allows our bodies to adjust to temperature change in our environment. The thermoreceptor signals are delivered via the spinal cord and then reach the thalamus, where this information is processed. 3. Equilibrioception. This sense allows you to keep your balance and is related to the vestibule, located in the inner ear. It is also useful for perceiving gravity, acceleration and directional changes. In the case of impairment of this sense, the person literally can't tell up from down and moving from one location to another is nearly impossible. 4. Nociception. Just like thermoception, this sense is usually thought to be a part of the sense of touch, but it is in fact a separate sensory system. There are 3 distinct types of pain receptors: cutaneous, skin, somatic, bones and joints, and visceral, body organs. Pain occurs when there is real or perceived tissue damage. Some individuals are born with congenital insensitivity to pain, CIP, which means that they do not possess the ability to perceive pain. In other conditions, such as phantom limb pain, PLP, people feel a false sensation of pain. 5. Chemoreceptors. Chemoreceptors are sensory extensions of the peripheral nervous system into blood vessels where they detect changes in chemical concentrations. They trigger an area of the medulla that is related to the detection of hormones from blood and drugs, and they are also involved in the vomiting reflex. If this sense is damaged, people may suffer from the loss of the ability to vomit or uncontrollable vomiting.